Today, I'm going to be turning this old football boot into this golden boot trophy.
For anyone that doesn't know what a golden boot is, it's awarded to the top goal scorer in football, or as some of you Americans might want to call it, soccer. So I start by taking off the laces and giving it a good old scrub and a clean. After that's dried, I started to spray paint the whole boot gold as well as the laces. I then start to make the plinth that the boot's actually going to be mounted on, just filing it back. Spray paint the base black. I then hold down just lightly on the top of the spray can, just to let some of the white paint just flick out. I wanted to give it a bit of a marble effect. Once it's all dried, I put the laces back into the boot, and then I've noticed as I'm pulling the laces through the holes, it's actually making some of the gold paint come off of the laces. So then I decide to paint the laces with some gold paint.
Right, now we've got the base. Spray painted the whole boot gold. Now we've got to figure out a way of getting them put together. So it needs to look something like this.
So I decide to screw through the base and into the bottom of the boot. I add some glue to help keep the boot in place, and then at the end I give it a couple of coats of some varnish to give it a nice shine. Then Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt, you've got yourself a homemade golden boot trophy.